30+ programs to help you design, illustrate, animate, and more. This is the A to Z of graphic design software featuring both free and premium programs that you can download and start using today. I'm Abby Esparza with Envato Tuts Plus. Let's jump right into it. ArtRage is a digital art program that specializes in digital painting tools and resources that mimic traditional art. From oil paint on canvas to watercolor and pencils, you can smear, mix, and blend just like the real thing. Animatron Studio is an online animation maker perfect for creating online advertisements, including banner ads and short videos. Its drag and drop UI makes it beginner animator friendly. Boxy SVG is an SVG file editor aimed at both beginner and professional web designers and developers. With a minimal and well thought out UI, Boxy SVG aims to create a streamlined SVG editor where the image takes center stage. Blender is a free 3D computer graphics software used for creating animated films, visual effects, and video games. It supports the entire 3D pipeline from modeling to animation and finally, rendering. CorelDRAW is a graphics editor for vector illustration, photo editing, and typography. It's a suite of several programs that has everything you need for both you and any collaborators. Clip Studio Paint is used for digital creation of comics, digital art, and 2D animation. It's a favorite amongst digital painters for its painting-focused user interface and natural brush feel. Affinity Designer is fast becoming a favorite amongst professionals for creating print projects, logos, icons, UI designs, and much more. Affinity Designer strips back their UI, ditches the bloat and gimmicks, and gives you a completely streamlined graphic designing experience. DaVinci Resolve is a color correction and video editing program that can also create and combine visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production, making it one of the world's first all-in-one video editing software that is 100% Hollywood used and approved. Envato Elements is a one-stop shop for all of your graphic design needs. Get unlimited downloads of graphics, photos, and fonts, literally millions of creative digital assets, all with simple commercial licensing, with just one monthly fee. FireAlpaca is a free digital painting software that boasts fast rendering times and an easy-to-understand UI. And the best part, they are very vocal about how they will be free forever. GIMP is a free and open source image editor that's been around for a whopping 25 years and still getting active updates. Both artist and graphic designer friendly, GIMP has a whole library of third-party programs so you can customize your workspace to your exact workflow. Gravit Designer is a fully featured vector graphic design program with a suite of fast and flexible tools, specially made for professional designers and artists. Gravit does both vector and raster-based processing, as well as having everything you need for web and UI design. HitFilm Express is a free video editor with a slew of professional-grade editing tools. Perfect for everyone, including film students, gamers, and YouTubers, even if you've just started your journey into video editing. InDesign is the industry-leading layout and page design software for both print and digital media. Create and publish books, magazines, posters, and more, all while taking advantage of Adobe's other integrated services. Illustrator is the industry standard when it comes to vector graphics software. From digital art to mobile graphics and of course web UI, Illustrator is used worldwide and for good reason. Inkscape is an open source and free vector-based software that has all of the tools a professional illustrator or web designer might need. At the best price, free. Easy to use with tons of learning resources, this professional program is beginner-friendly. Krita is a free open-source painting program aimed towards concept artists, matte painters, as well as comic artists. Krita has tons of online learning resources that are all also free. Lucidpress is an online branded content creator full of easy-to-use graphic design templates and a user-friendly UI. As it's browser-based, it works on all computers, is super lightweight, and quick to use. Luminar is a photo editing program that is fully powered by artificial intelligence. Instantly retouch photos or manipulate whole photos with just a few clicks. Remove the tedious processes and let AI do the work for you. MyPaint is a free painting program that focuses on creating a simple interface with no distraction, and a brush feel that mimics real brush strokes. MyPaint gives you everything you need and none of what you don't. MediBang is a drawing software that is specialized for comic and manga artists. It's available for PC, iPad, iPhone, and Android devices, so you can draw anywhere, at any time. Natron is an open source video compositing software for VFX and motion graphics. It includes multi-layer rotoscoping, various keying tools, and powerful rendering for fast production times. OpenToonz is a free drawing program aimed at 2D animators. It's the open source version of Toonz, which has been used by animation company Studio Ghibli. Photoshop is a world-leading program in photo editing and retouching. Few photo editors can go toe-to-toe with Photoshop thanks to its extensive user-created library of both free and premium brushes, actions, and other downloadable resources. Placeit is an online and easy-to-use tool for branding content and mock-up graphics. There are thousands of templates to choose from, including logos, videos, flyers, and more, all of which are completely customizable. Procreate is a well-loved digital painting app for the iPad and other iOS devices. Create sketches, full illustrations, and even animations from anywhere thanks to it being an exclusive mobile app. Affinity Publisher is a professional publishing software used to compose books, magazines, website mockups, and more. With a smooth and intuitive UI, it's fast becoming a favorite in the publishing industry. Affinity Photo is a photo editing software well known for its speed and power. It can be used for photo compositing, retouching, and illustrations, along with being the only fully featured photo editor that is on Mac, Windows, and iOS. Pixelmator is a photo editing app created exclusively for the iPad. It's fully featured and is ideal for both photo retouching and color grading. PaintTool SAI is a lightweight painting program that is simple and easy to learn. It aims to make digital painting quicker and more enjoyable with zero lag and top-tier anti-aliasing. Pixlr is a browser-based photo editor that has both easy-to-use templates and AI-powered tools. If you're a premium user, you can even use it offline with their desktop app. QuarkXPress is an all-in-one program with easy photo editing, illustration, and web layout tools. You can also seamlessly transition from web to mobile publication for easy application designing. RawTherapee is a raw image processing program. Cross-platform and free, it's aimed at both new enthusiasts and longtime professionals, with all the tools and settings you need to edit your RAW files. Rebelle is a digital painting program that brings traditional supplies to your computer. Realistic interaction between oil paints and watercolor without sacrificing performance or speed. Sketchbook is a drawing and painting program aimed at designers, architects, and concept artists. It has a simple UI ideal for tablets and on-the-go sketching. Sketch is an online UI and graphic designing program. With real-time collaboration and being so easy to use, it's the ideal tool for team and group work. Toon Boom is an award-winning pack of programs aimed at 2D animators. Used by professionals worldwide, Toon Boom is an industry standard, excelling in animation, storyboarding, and in production. Vector is a free, cross-platform vector graphics software that is easy to use thanks to having a number of free templates. Vector aims to simplify the graphic design process, letting you focus on what matters most, the designs. VectEasy is a resource site that specializes in vector art, but also has a large library of photo and stock video content as well. It contains a mixture of both free and premium content with professional level quality to help you get your project done faster. And for now, that's our A to Z list of graphic design software, both free and premium. If you know of any that we missed, let us know down in the comments. And if that wasn't enough and you're looking for even more, why not check out some of the other excellent videos that Envato Tuts Plus has to offer. If you like this video and would like to see more, consider giving us a like and even subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of all new videos, including tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy designing, see you next time.